Firefighters are reporting progress in the massive battle against multiple wildfires in Los Angeles County. The two most fearsome, the Palisades fire and the Eaton fire, have left at least 24 people dead, according to LA County coroner, and a trail of damage reaching into the billions of dollars. WCCO's Kirsten Mitchell is on the ground in Los Angeles with the latest.
I'm in Brentwood on the northeast side of the Palisades fire, where crews are using heavy equipment to build lines to prevent fire from creeping up this ridge here. We've seen a lot of action today. Despite there being great progress overnight, that work does continue today. Behind me is the Mandeville Canyon. Yesterday, we saw heavy fire activity down there. You can see there's still some red from the fire retardant that was dropped. And right now, there is still areas that are smoldering, perhaps burning, but really looking a lot better than yesterday. Above on the hillsides, you can see all of that land has been already burned. Not a lot of fuel left, which is good news if the winds pick up and change over the next few days. Now, that home there is right on the edge of this kind of hill into the canyon, and we've been seeing a lot of aircraft just beyond that home putting water down, and we're seeing a lot of heavy equipment also in that area doing water drops and building those containment lines. Now, beyond this ridge is Encino, and of course the goal is this fire does not go over this ridge and move toward more homes on that side of the fire. But of course, this is all a very dynamic situation, and the biggest concern from firefighters is the wind. We are expecting wind to pick up over the next few days. It's already been quite breezy today, some pretty heavy gusts, but firefighters, they have made good progress overnight, so now they're working to just maintain that progress, maintain those containment lines, and continue their firefight. That's the latest here from Brentwood.
We'll continue to cover the latest on the wildfires on air and online at WCCO.com. You can also join CBS in helping those affected by the LA wildfires. Just scan the QR code on your screen to make a donation right now, or visit redcross.org/CBS.